you were turned, weren't you?
I was a little bit too turned. Your fans love to give shots.
우리한테도 왜 안 줘? We wanted 3.
Can you imagine a drunken card concert?
So right now we about to check out IVE off the record. I don't know what's off the record. Usually when I say that, I'm like, or when people say that, it's like, okay, off the record. So you don't, that means you keep it in the vault kind of shit. So what is this? What could it be? Like, what would be off the record for this one? Is this a title track or like a B-side, if I'm not mistaken, chat? YouTube, what's poppin', YouTube? YouTube, if you guys don't know, go follow me on Twitch. We do these live. I have 3 title tracks, so we'll just come back, and this is the second one. Ah, that's right. 3 title tracks, god dang. Without further ado, let's check this out, shall we? In 3, 2, 1, bop. She had a crossbow? Whoa, what? It's 2 a.m. Okay. Oh, she's planting a seed? Ooh, that's a fire shot. Ooh. Are they preparing themselves for a... Oh. Oh, after record night. Aww. After record night's kind of like heart-to-heart nights, you know? But, well, I don't know about in this case. Aw, her with glasses is so cute. Oh, you good? Oh, okay. Look at the little animation of butterflies, that's cute. Oh, whoa. Oh, he has an arrow in the back too, whoa. Ooh, what was that? That was like a off whisper, I think. Hold up. Like, they're all whispering. Big heart in the middle. Is that a heart? Yeah. Oh, that's pretty fire. It's very vibey too. I just realized she's riding a goose on wheels. Oh. Okay. Oh wait, who's in the background? Same. Oh. Delayed in the night. Oh, this is kind of weird. Almost like. Secretive and thrilling. Romantic and psycho. Did she just bow or like? Oh yeah, they did. Yeah, like curtsy bow. I think that's. I don't know what it is. Like when you end the show. Ooh, when she said love me," it reminded me. Say that you love me. I think they did it on purpose. Maybe. Ooh. Hey. Conversation. Oh my god. This is literally such a vibe. I just literally been just head bopping the whole time. Literally. I said literally too much. Whoa. They sampled this a song from LOVElution by the Cardigans. I've heard of the Cardigans. Let me do a double check and remind myself how it sounds like. Say that you love me. Right? Yeah. That's what I thought. Okay. Love me. Say that you love me. That's hella vibey, and I'm all for that. I love a good vibe. Real talk, I don't know, I've changed over the years where I'm like, instead of like all hype, it's like I just need something to just vibe out to, and this is definitely gonna be added to the playlist in my K-pop playlist because I'm feeling the vibes. Oof. Retro, funky pop kind of feel. Ooh, the way she comes in too. Wow, that's trippy. This music video is pretty trippy. Like the angles. No more kill my vibe. Her in glasses is so cute. Wonyoung. Every time I see butterflies, it reminds me of DPRE and music videos. This is interesting with the whole shadow. Sometimes forbidden things are the most tempting, yeah? Have any of y'all have like off the record conversations? I feel like yeah, also, yeah, I feel like people can relate. I literally just realized she's singing from a mannequin hand. I thought it was a bat this whole time. Why does this kind of remind me of like a Red Velvet music video? Not trying to compare, but I mean, I just did, but you know what I mean? I like that little ode to it. I mean, obviously they're sampling it, but just like the love me. Woo! That vocal right there. My speculation is that they're preparing for the apocalypse and each member has a special skill. Ooh. Just vibing out to it. Hey! Karen, thank you so much for the subscription. 13 months. Oh my god, over a year. Appreciate you. This right here is so fierce. The stare? Oh my goodness. Anyways, we got G-I-DLE, I Want That official music video coming through. I'm not sure how it sounds like. I heard good things about it. I heard like the chorus is pretty fire too. But let's check it out, shall we? Are they on a boat? A yacht? Oh. Is it more calm? Ooh, damn! Sorry. That dress look. Oh. I got serious. What? Hey, oh, blood is. Oh, I want to faint. I might. What? Oh, 88 Rising. Did I see 88? Is that what I saw? Yeah, 88 Rising. Oh, I guess they're like doing like stuff with them. I guess. I mean, since I do. Uh oh. Oh, it's the different stories. Ooh. Oh shit, it's like all arguments. Whoa. Whoa. Hey yo, them aggressive. That stare down. That stare down though. I don't know if I can. Oh my god. What is happening? Anger issues. Oh. So beautiful. Wait, what happened? Oh. Oh, she's bloodied up? BRB. Ooh. Ooh, that drop is fire too. OMG. You and me. Ooh. Damn, you better walk, Miss Ma'am. Ooh, girl. Something. I know there's like serious topics happening right now too. Oh, it's a bad wedding, I'm guessing. Is her whole dress is tattered. Maybe it's the future of what's to happen if she did get married, or she looks very. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. I want that. This relationship is a no-no. Hey. Psychotic kind of love. God damn, out with a gun? Oh, they all got guns. What? Ooh. Oh shit. I mean, obviously they can't show like I guess the hole that she just shot him. I guess they're planning their revenge and now they're free again. That's why they're all on the boat. Let's go, G-Idle. This was such an interesting music video and song. Holy crap. Sorry, I started laughing because I've been watching or sleeping to SpongeBob. So when I heard the with the water, are you ready, kids? Aye, aye, Captain. I can hear. Okay, let me stop. Oh, what? C'est la vie? Oh shit! The whole album's all linked. Oh, I might have to check out the whole album too. I think Hedgen told me that to check it out too. I like this dubstep feel. Me too, Berry Tweet. Me too. That is kind of disgusting to me. I would have fainted. Like I don't do good with blood, but especially if it's like coming out of me, I just faint. BRB. Wow. That's so intimate. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like I'm peeping into someone's life that I'm not supposed to in the relationship. Like the whole picture taken, and it got like a little bit like serious. So it starts off happy, like they're play fighting. Then of course things happen. Whoa, 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 guys, don't do that. Don't do that. I mean, I don't know what's happening with the other one. That stare down is intense, I'm not gonna lie. These are all red flags, real talk. First meeting them being all romantic, then he became abusive and she couldn't escape, so he died. Basically. Anger issues, bro. Gotta have patience, y'all. Gotta have patience. Relationships, I feel like relationships are never like, there's never an easy relationship. It's two people that are attracted to each other, that don't really know each other until they get to know each other, and then they don't like the differences. Well, I don't know. I'm not trying to give advice, but like, yeah, I'm not trying to give advice, but like, just talk, just be vocal. And if you don't agree with something, then maybe that is the time to break up instead of going into a very abusive relationship. I don't know. I want that. I want that. OMG, I want that. BR. Oh, you and me. I want that. Oui, merci, no, c'est la vie. C'est la vie means what again? Does that mean I love you? I'm not sure. Or je ne sais quoi. What is? Can anybody translate that to me? C'est la vie is it is what it is, bruh. Oh, that reminds me. Hold up. First of all, they all look beautiful, but it's like pretty sad. But they plot the revenge basically. Let's go acting. Let's go acting. That's a crazy shot though. That shot's fire too. BRB. I want that. I want that. OMG, I want that. You and me. I want that. Hey, hey. She's walking down the aisle, quote unquote, with her roses, but with a gun this time. Nobody else is gonna stop. Guy's an asshole anyways. It means I don't know what. Thanks for using it, Soda Rocks. Is that I was gonna scroll back to see if that was a jellyfish in there. Like, there's nothing in there first, and then that's a jellyfish, right? Yeah. Ah, interesting. Get the girlies together. Get the girlies together. Hey, hey. Yeah, yeah. Hey, hey. Yeah, yeah. Damn. That was pretty fire. I had to watch it again because, like, especially if it's all English. That's a really good all English track too. First listen next time you stream. Just a suggestion. I'm down to do something like that. I mean, there's so much music I have to catch up with in the first listens, but I'm always down. I'm down to do a first listen sometime soon. Yeah, why not? I put this on my play. Me too, Barry Tweed. This is definitely going on a playlist. Giotto, you did your thing. Let's go. I can't wait to check out the album.
You were turned, weren't you?
I was a little bit too turned. Your fans love to give shots.
우리한테도 왜 안 줘? We wanted 3.
LOVElution Girls Capitalism MV by tripleS. They've been hitting, bro. Ever since their first debut song, loving it. Again, very vibey. I'm not sure if it's gonna be very vibey. It seems like they're in the Girl Scouts right here, but let's see how this goes. Cheese. Oh, yearbook. Is that the bug catching club? Whoa. Are they the goth kids? Mad Money Club? Oh wait. Oh, it tells you all their names too. I never got to know their names actually, so this is like actually really helpful. 10 rules of Mad Money Club. All over the screen is shining brightly. Oh, they're doing a seance? Is that incense? Are they just rich? They're rich. Wait, what does it say? Her book say? Girl, rich girls don't cry. Okay. Read more. Art of Savage? No money, no future. True. Ooh. What a switch up. Wait, what? It went from all black clothes to white to like a whole white room instead of the girls' bathroom. Dance when you feel ugly. Oh, that's cute. I feel like I should take that role. I feel like no one deserves to like feel ugly. Aw. Hey. Aw. Dream big. Oh my god. Whoa. Eat healthy? Wait, eat unhealthy or eat healthy with gummy worms? What the fuck? In salad? Oh, eat that money. That must taste so good. Wait, what was that? See differently. Dizzy as hell. Ooh. Inner beauty. I said the confident attitude. Inner beauty. Gonna love new. Wait, what? Try new food, right? Rule 8. Try new food. What? Don't be scared to be crazy. I mean, you know, be a little crazy a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Get lit. That's funny. Not the judgment. Ooh. A. Just be you, Tiffo. Aww. Cute is boring. Beauty. Come, beauty. Ooh. Hey. Hey. Get it, get it, get it. Hey. Aw. They just literally vibing out. Self-confidence. Oh, it's a heart. I just realized. Oh. What the hell? This music video is crazy. But I like the message too. It basically is like self-confidence building, no? Like, you know, be you. This a K-pop has touched me like that in a long time. Aw. The whole concept is fun yet so meaningful. Correct. Yeah, that's what it felt like. It does feel like it's like nostalgic as well as a fresh and new feeling. Yeah. All right. Shout out to tripleS with LOVElution, Girls Capitalism. Their next unit is on the 11th Drake called Evolution. Ah, I see. Good to know. I guess, damn, they got money though. Shit, if I wish I had that money, bro, I'm broke right now. It be like that sometimes, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, all right. That was good. That was a fun MV to watch too. I like the message as well, and I can't wait to see more from tripleS. Without further ado, let's check out Gods featuring Eugene's official music video, World's 2023 Anthem, League of Legends. Let's go. I don't even play League of Legends. I play TFT though. Ooh. Hey, thank you for subscribing, brother Joe. Whoa. The church just opened. Oh shit, that's the void. Oh. Whoa. Oh shit. Where we riding? Oh, we gaming today. Ride onto the sun. Wait, hold up. Did he just get tired out of the blue? Look at it. He got eye bags, right? Did he get skinnier from like just? No, I don't know. I mean, Lee can do that to you. Gaming can do that to you if you just stay up. Oh, are those the Lucian? Is that Lucian guns? Oh, that's what's his name? Fuck, his I can't remember the name. Shit. I'm not the biggest League of Legends fan, but I do like looking at the lore and characters, especially after Arcane. If someone can remember, oh, they're all representing their lead character. Whew. Once you play God, they'll crumble one by one. Yo, this epic fight. Holy shit. Is that Faker? Let's go. That was indeed not Faker. The only thing Faker is his knowledge of pro players in League of Legends. Oh, she, is it Syndra that sends balls? Like purple balls? Is it Syndra? It's not Lux, I know that. Oh shit, wake up. It's okay. You got this. I still can't believe I'm listening to like New Jeans for whoa. Bro, all the animations has been so epic for every league, like oh fuck, what the fuck? God damn, he ain't playing. Bop. Oh, that's fire. Oh shit. Ooh. Okay. Well. GG. Oh. Oh, that's Faker and Def. So I don't know much of the pro players though, but I've been learning little by little. God damn. What? Oh shit, what the fuck? Okay. Okay, we popping up. Woo! Bye! Holy shit. All that hard work, my boy. Oh, it must feel so good. My Twitch chat did inform me that this music video centers around the story of Deft and how he became the world champion in 2022. Once you play, yes, promote that shit. Bro, League of Legends has been going on for so long. It's impressive. And they're building. Oh. Oh shit. These are all the names. I mean, if I ever do upload this, you're talking to, or you're watching a guy that doesn't know nothing about like League of Legends like pros. The visual artwork is crazy. W Song 2. That's a really good bro. Every time they do a promotion for anything, especially with an artist that like it takes my interest, it just brings new eyes. They know what they're doing, and they have like the production team to like back it up too. His story is already dope. I obviously I see him right now, but that's dope. Bro, again, another amazing work from League of Legends, and now they have New Jeans singing on the track. That's even more fire, to be honest.